राज्य में एक बीएलओ की कथित तौर पर आत्महत्या से हुई मौत पर पश्चिम बंगाल के गवर्नर सीवी आनंद बोस ने कहा, ऐसे हालात में बिना सोचे समझे रिएक्शन देने से बचना बेहतर है। मुख्यमंत्री ने जो कहा है उसकी डिटेल में जांच होनी चाहिए। मुझे यकीन है कि हमारे पास एक इलेक्शन कमीशन है जो काफी मजबूत है और जिसका नजरिया बैलेंस्ड है। इन सभी मामलों में कोर्ट की ठीक ठाक से जांच की जा सकती है और सही हल निकाले जा सकते हैं। लेकिन जरूरी ये है कि इस देश में फ्री और फेयर इलेक्शन का ध्यान से पालन किया जाए। मैं बस सभी को सलाह देता हूं कि वे पैनिक रिएक्शन से बचें। मुझे यकीन है कि हमारे संविधान में हालात को सुलझाने के लिए काफी चेक्स एंड बैलेंस है। राज्य सरकार और इलेक्शन कमीशन के बीच बातचीत होनी चाहिए। गवर्नर के तौर पर दोनों के बीच की खाई को पाटने के लिए जो भी जरूरी होगा, मैं उसके लिए जरूर पहल करूंगा।
Sir, SIR process is going on. There are number of 30 cases are coming. The BLOs are committing somewhere suicide. Somewhere allegations are coming from even the chief minister that due to the pressure of the election commission, the BLOs are committing suicide. How you are taking the situation between state government, chief minister and the election commission within this SIR process?
See, in such situations, it is better to avoid knee-jerk reactions. What the Chief Minister has pointed out has to be examined in detail, in depth, and I am sure that we have an election commission which is strong enough, which has a balanced outlook. All these issues can be examined properly and appropriate solutions found. But what is required is free and fair elections in this country has to be followed meticulously.
Sir, it is very evident through the cameras of various news channels that people are flying away from this country through Hakipur and all. So there were some
returning to Bangladesh.
They are returning to Bangladesh. They are very infiltrators. So sir, your thought on this? Because already we have seen number of people are returning that, and there might be there are more. Any thoughts on this, sir?
I will be visiting the border to make a reality check, and then I will comment on that.
Sir, we have seen that during this SIR process, because lots of anxiety is going on in people's mind.
I would humbly advise everyone to avoid panic reactions. I am sure that our constitution has enough of checks and balances to sort out such situations. There should be dialogue between the state government and the election commission which is taking place. As governor, whatever is required to bridge the two, I will certainly take the initiative for.